Hello, welcome to my kid videos. Today I want to show you how this humidifier works. Okay, USB portable humidifier, donut humidifier. Alright, so if you have an incubator, your room, your car, you want to make the air humid, alright, you can use this. So I'm going to show you how this works in a little bit. But there's a thermohygrometer. If you put batteries in it, it will tell you the temperature and humidity. To tell you temperature and humidity of your area. So I'm going to be needing a USB charger. This is just a normal phone charger, okay? Normal phone charger. How many volts? This is just any USB charger. Okay, this is a phone charger USB. You can use it. I'm plugging this, and then you see normal phone charger. Normal phone charger. So I'll be using this. So taking it out. This is just how it looks like. Okay, it has some foam for absorbing the water, and then just the cable. So I'm going to first put this in the water. Okay, the rubber part, the foam part goes down. Okay, all right, then the USB goes in there. Okay, so this is how it works. You can see the smoke. Yeah, and then it lights up, showing you it is working. It doesn't shock. At all. Okay, and the water doesn't heat up. Okay, you just have the fumes. Can you see the fumes?
No.
And then how it works, it goes off and on. You see, it goes off and on intermittently. Yeah, so it goes off for a while, and then it will come on after some time. I have to read. Is this? Yeah. There's no information about how long. There's no information about how long it stays off before coming on again. Anytime. Yeah, no information. So let's hold on. Okay. Yeah, okay. You see the smoke?
It's not hot.
Not hot at all. And if you put your finger, it's so cool. It's cool.
Like
and then
AC.
after some time, your finger gets wet. Okay. Yeah, it's not hot at all. So after I cover,
It smells nice too.
It smells nice. No, water is odorless. So my brother, see, so soft. Yeah. So for your room, for your incubator, you want to make the room cool enough without increasing the temperature, because the water is not, and doesn't shock. Yeah, so you can buy this from my kit shop. Okay, just order or look down below for the link. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Bye.
It's really cool though.